Good Friday morning, coming to you with a full update video here. No saw, no generator, dirt's dressed up, coping's in place, walls built, patio's sanded, lights are in, columns in, beautiful cap on that. We'll end up having to switch that out to get the right size. Jeff's over there working on wiring up the junction hub for the rest of our lights. We've got a couple steps set to take off from. No pallets left down below. All that material has been used up or hauled out. We're moved up top for the next phase. Pretty well ready for some seed and straw. We got some dirt work right here to button this side up. Mortared edging is all set up and in place. Everything is ready to go for us to pretty well take off up the hill building some more steps. Look at that. Sand makes a world of difference. And leaves are changing. Gold dome shining back there. Stay tuned for next week's progress and the big finish. Probably in 2 weeks. Like it, share it, stay tuned.